This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the email account that holds the contacts. Make sure you have permission to modify contacts. Once signed in, open Contacts or Address Book and check whether an export or backup already exists. If not, immediately export current contacts as CSV or vCard so you have a restore point. Now locate the Import or Restore option. This is the first actionable step that gets you into the recovery workflow, so proceed without delay. You upload the CSV or vCard into the import dialog. Make sure the file size and format meet provider limits. Then map columns to contact fields. Why this matters is data integrity. Correct mapping prevents lost phone numbers or swap names. Once mapped, choose Merge Behavior. Overwrite replaces existing entries. Keep duplicates preserves both. Skip leaves existing ones untouched. Evaluate a small test import of 5-10 contacts first, because that confirms your mappings and merge rules before you commit to the full restore. After import, immediately verify by searching for key contacts and sampling different entries. Check emails, phone numbers, and notes to ensure accuracy. If you find missing or misaligned data, re-export the original backup, fix column headers or formats, and re-import a small batch to confirm the fix. If imports fail repeatedly, use the provider's Restore from Backup feature or reach out to support. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep an untouched original backup file so you can revert or retry without data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.